What's going on? Hashtag JRideReviews family. Got yet another epic review for you guys this evening. But I'm going to wish you a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night whenever you're seeing this video. Today we'll be reviewing a 2019 Cadillac XT5. This is Cadillac's midsize SUV offering. So you got the Escalade up here, and right below it you have the XT5. This is formerly the SRX. From the time it came out way back when until they changed the model number or model name, if you want to say. So my parents formerly owned a SRX before they got their Escalade. So I'm going to compare the two, kind of, sort of. Just looking at the interior, there's definitely some upgrades here. The seating, same engine. It still has the 3.6 liter variable valve timing V6. So that's the same. I'm going to see if there's any tuning or anything I can feel there. The air conditioning system is definitely different. The Navi system is definitely different. And so I'm super excited to bring this one to you guys and kind of go from there. So y'all hang tight. I'm going to give you a visual preview of the exterior, a visual preview of the interior, and then the most important part, we're going to take it for a spin. Sorry about my camera zooming in, doing its own thing real quick here. But then we'll go from there. Y'all hang tight. And don't forget this, folks. It's the most important thing. God is dope. Clothing line. I want to give them a shout out in this video. I love this shirt. I love the reception when people see it. And I just feel good wearing it because God is awesome. God is dope. He's super cool. And he's the reason why this channel and this brand exists. Point blank, period. So y'all hang tight. Stay tuned. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening or good night whenever you're seeing this video. All right, crew, the moment we've all been waiting for. We're going to take this XT5 out on the road, see what the differences are, see how it feels, and kind of go from there. As long as you got the key in your possession, we'll go ahead and just sit it right here in the cup holder as follows. Excuse my mess down there, my bag and camera stuff down there. Put your foot on the brake. It's a push button start. As you can see, the Cadillac view system comes to life. As you can see there, this does have the what we call the haptic buttons here. So basically you just slide to the left, slide to the right. Two-step one time. You do have heated and cooled seats. As you can see, there's the cooled seats. There's the heated seats. You got the big infotainment system there. You have this new for Cadillac transmission gear selector. I gotta get used to it. Put it down in reverse. You do have a full camera there, as you can see. We'll go ahead and put it back in drive. Beautiful 10-2 grips on the steering wheel, leather wrapped, nice touches there. You do have front collision avoidance. You do have lane keep. You do have heated steering wheel here. You got your cruise control stuff over here on the left side, right side, all your radio controls. You got your headlight controls. I'm gonna go ahead and turn those on. It's got late. And then you also have you have the lighting here, as you can see. Very nice touches. It's blue all the way around the edges. I don't know if y'all can see that, but nice touches. I love the instrumentation. You have a LED screen with. You also have the analog gauges there. Nice touches there, perfectly placed. This is a nice touch all the way around. So we'll go ahead and throw the old seat belt on. Love this panoramic sunroof, as y'all can see, from front to back. And we'll go ahead and take it out for a spin. Here we go. So you press the gear shifter button here on the side, slide it down. It does have manual mode. It also has a sport mode that you can put it in. You have different drive modes. You got tour, you got sport, and then you got snow and ice for extra traction. We'll just go ahead and leave it in tour starting out, and then we'll go ahead and throw it into sport later on. You do have, like I said, the LED display down here at the bottom right here shows your speed. It does give you speed warning there. Fuel range to the left, tachometer, speedometer, fuel, and coolant temp. So we'll go ahead and take you for a ride, a JRide tonight. So let me go ahead and adjust these mirrors. You have good size side view mirrors. You have great visibility all the way around, as you can see. Nice touches everywhere. And we're gonna go ahead and take it out real quick. It's getting late. Why you wanna be here? I ain't no singer. Here we go. Let's do it. Brakes have a nice firm feel, but all GMs have a nice firm brake pedal when they're working right. You gotta make sure that you keep your brake maintenance up, folks. But with all this working well, they do have a nice firm brake pedal. GMs always have had it. Cadillacs, Buicks, every one of them that I've driven. All right, you do have rear AC controls. I can hear it hissing back there. Not hissing, you can hear the air conditioning sound. Good turn circle there. So the 3.6 liter is peppy enough for most people's needs. The LED headlights are emitting a nice blanket of light over the road, as you can see. Good visibility all the way around. I love the ambient lighting. I couldn't figure out what I was trying to say earlier, but this is the ambient lighting around the door panels. Nice touches here. I like it. What you think? What y'all think? What y'all think? Put down in the comments. Anybody got one of these already? And anybody looking for one? Check out this particular model. I'll have the website information for it. Oops, excuse me. And then we'll just kind of go from there. Y'all can check it out yourselves. It does have blind spot monitoring in the mirrors, as you guys can see right there. When this car pulled up, the little arrow down in the mirror, I'll point to it real quick. So right here, you have blind spot monitoring. Good touches here. One touch auto up and down on the front two windows, and then manual in the back. Nice touches. So here we go. First things first, I could tell you this one's a little bit quieter than the old SRX. Like I said, my parents had one, and so it's very quiet in here. That 3.6 liter, you can hear it. Low road noise in here, low wind noise. So it's good touches all the way around. I love this infotainment screen. You do also have rear parking assist, as you can see right there. And the ride comfort, very nice. Very nice. Typical Cadillac. Smooth, quiet, and the presence on the road. Cadillacs have always had a presence out here on the road. Love this panoramic sunroof. So I think my parents had a, if I remember correctly, it was a 2011 SRX, which is, like I said, is the former model of this. And it was a nice ride. It was a nice ride, but you can definitely feel the differences on this one. The transmission is very responsive. This does have auto leveling headlights as well, so it'll turn on the high beams for you guys and gals when needed automatically. It does also have rain sensing wipers, and it does have auto stop start if you want that feature enabled. I'm gonna bring y'all back to the 90s when Cadillac had a little song for their vehicles on the commercials. Cadillac, Cadillac, Cadillac style. Y'all remember that? The old school commercials, the 91, 92, 93 commercial song. I was a kid, but I still remember. Do you remember? just gonna take it for a spin. I'll get up here, I'll give it a brake test, I'll spin it back around and give y'all a turn circle test, and then I'll give it an acceleration test. I'm gonna throw it down in sport and just kind of go from there. Check it out. Smooth operator. And do the braking test. I'm doing about 45, 50. Gonna go ahead and break it on down. Oh yeah, drama free. Save your drama for y'all fill it in. There's the auto start and stop and shut off. As soon as you lift off the brake, it will fire back up like that. And we're gonna go ahead and give it the turn circle test. He's towing, so the turn circle is good and tight. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in sport mode, and here we go. Acceleration test. V6 sounds good. It's eager. It's ready to go, and I love that ambient lighting. Y'all check out the, gotta give shout outs. I like to support people. Check out the God is Dope clothing line. I'll try to remember to put that down in the description, which is the shirt I'm wearing this evening on this test drive. And just support local, man. Support businesses. And support hashtag JRideReviews. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification. And if you guys, you know, I want to build a personal relationship with you guys, I'm going to try to put my link tree down there so y'all can follow the brand on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, of course, YouTube. You know, I'm out here. I'm trying to do something, make it happen. Rest in peace, Dad. Thank you for everything. These were your cars, man. You loved Cadillacs growing up. So I actually I'm going to dedicate this test drive to you, Dad. I want to dedicate this one to you, my friend, my best friend. And thank you for everything. Thank you, Lord, for everything. Motivational minute. Give props where props are due. Thank you to my parents. Thank you to my dad, of course. Thank you to the dealership. Thank you, Lord, for giving me this opportunity to do what I love to do. It's tough sometimes, but with a little bit of faith and a whole bunch of prayer, everything's possible. And without you, Lord, nothing is possible. Without you, nothing is possible. With you, everything is possible. And that's what I just want to tell you guys and gals. Yeah, join the hashtag JRideReviews family. Be glad to have you. If you're looking for something in particular, let me know, and I can get with my network of dealers here in Atlanta and see what we can come up with. All right, thank you so much for watching. We rollin'. Love that firm brake pedal. Gives you confidence. The steering did firm up just a bit in sport mode, so that's something. The transmission shifted a little bit quicker, a little bit firmer, so there is a subtle difference. And you can also throw this down in manual mode, which I'm not going to do just because it's a Cadillac, y'all. Come on, here we go. Give it another acceleration test. Definitely changed the engine sound. Sounds way different than older SRX. This replaces. Brake test, quick turn in. Very nice touches, Cadillac. Very nice touches. Always on point. Oop, went right past the parking spot. You know I'm a kid in a candy store when I come to a car lot. I love it. So I'm gonna give you a view of this reverse camera. It is nimble. Since I missed the parking spot the first time, it is nimble around the parking lot, by the way. All right, so I gotta get used to this shifter. You push it up, then you push over to get into reverse. And there's your reverse camera. We're gonna go old school. We're gonna look back as well. Nice touches, y'all. Cadillac, Cadillac, Cadillac style, Cadillac. And this does have the haptic vibration in the seats as well. So when you get close to something and you're in reverse and you have the parking sensors on, it will vibrate the seat. Let's see, there we go. Put it in reverse. There it goes, vibrating. All right, put it in park. Very nice touches. What y'all think about the Cadillac XT5? I approve this message and this video. Cadillac, Cadillac, Cadillac style. So in conclusion, very nice touches. Like I said, you can see the level of refinement is much more than the older SRX that it replaces. Much more peppier engine to me. The transmission is different. The engine sound is different. What do you expect? If you want to upgrade in time, this is it. Y'all check this whole video out. Stay tuned for more epic reviews coming soon, and we'll go from there. Thank y'all for watching. God bless you. God keep you to the next video. Salute.